Every Christmas Eve, Princess Seraphine danced the Blizzard Ballet. It kept winter calm across Frosthalia. Her blue dress shimmered, catching moonlight. This year, a snow spirit stole her final twirl. Winter went rogue instantly. Snow shot sideways, trees spun. Snowmen ran, and a guard was blown into a wreath. Seraphine grabbed her music box. She headed to the Snowspire Mountains. Mischievous spirits hid stolen magic there. The journey was harsh, winds howled. Snowflakes pelted her, but her dress glowed. In an ice cavern, she found the snow spirit. It lounged on a throne of snowballs. The spirit twirled the stolen magic. "Looking for this?" it teased. Seraphine opened her music box. A soft melody filled the cave. The notes wrapped the spirit in calm. Its grin softened, enchanted by the tune. It placed the twirl back in her hands. "Fine," it sighed. "The music is pretty." Seraphine hurried back to Frosthalia. The storm was wild. Turrets wore snow hats. She completed the final twirl. Winter settled instantly. Snow drifted gently, soft as sugar. The northern lights shimmered. The guard was freed from the wreath. He kept it. It matched his uniform. Frosthalia celebrated its most beautiful Christmas. Seraphine smiled, her dress glowing softly. She whispered to the wind, "Until next year." The kingdom was safe and sound. Everyone lived happily ever after. The end.